Hello everyone, and welcome to your little dose of nature with me and Kaluha. Little pathway, and we've been really lucky because it's been really nice and sunny every day. We've been out. Isn't it, Kaluha? She's just walking behind me. Go in front of me, Kaluha. Come say hi to everyone. There she is. Kaluha. Hello. Hello. How are you? And there's that windmill again. I just want to show you this plant because I quite like it. Kind of looks like a tiny cactus. I'm not sure what's the name of the plant, but if any of you do, please let me know. She has made another friend. A friend every day. A lot of dogs feature in these videos. Bye! She is. And there you have it, guys. Just gonna leave you with a little close-up. The leaf, which again, I invite you to draw or paint or just do some art inspired by the nature today. Okay, remember to stay well, stay creative and stay connected, and have a lovely day. Goodbye.